Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit cool levitation photo in EPIK photo editor. So what you need to do first is take a photo of you flying in the air, and then import it into EPIK. And here is what you're gonna do. So go to filters and then select scenery. This one's right here, and then choose the sky one's right here, and then adjust the filters into your liking. So I'm going to go with 25, and then go to effect and choose sky, and then select the clear sky here, and then you can just adjust it into your liking. So I'm going to go the opacity into 50, around 50, and the age into 0, and then the filter I'm going to lower it into 30 or 29, like around 30 like this. And then after that, go to adjust and set the brightness into plus 30, and then next go to Fini and adjust it into plus 35 like this. Okay, I'm going to add some warm like so, and I'm going to adjust the vibrance into minus 20 like so. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can edit your Levitation photo in EPIK. So here is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.